Hi everyone, it's Muriel. Welcome back to my channel. So today, Saturday, starting out to be a wonderful day. I got up this morning and began cleaning the craft room. Again, all of the Valentine's stuff is put away. And then I started working on my scraps. Me and my sister, we were both chatting. I had a lot of scrap papers, so I started cutting them down to 4x6 sheets and getting rid of the rest. And while I was playing with that, I ran across this 6x6 paper pad that was gifted to me last month in January from Giovanni, D, Paula D. Giovanni. Hi, Paula. This is a Echo Park 6x6 paper pad, double-sided, 25 65-pound card stock, which was really sturdy. It's called Day in the Life. And it goes through each month. So you have your January, February, March, April, all the way through December. And then it repeats. It really has a Jen Hatfield kind of vibe to it. So I played with January and February's combined to make this card that I made. Paula also gifted me the ephemera Day in the Life, and it has lots and lots of tags and journaling spots and quotes and words in all shapes. So I was able to use a few from there. And here is the card that I made. And this card resembles one of the sheets that came with this that Paula had gifted me. Where did I put it at? It was a little project sheet. So in the card on the project sheet was very similar to this here. This is a Jen Hatfield dimensional sticker. And then this is a paper clip. I thought the person that I gifted this to would really like to take that paper clip off and use it. So the dimensional stickers look like this. I believe they're from the patio party collection. The hello I cut apart from the paper pad. The journaling card is here. I just added some sugar dots. I think that's what they're called. I thought they were enamel dots, but these are called sugar dots. And just put some background paper. So I don't have it filled out in the inside yet. I thought this would be a really cute card to give to someone who's returning back to work. We have several people that are out on illnesses and stuff like that outside of COVID. So I kind of thought it would be a nice, fun card for them to look at, make them smile. So, and this card is a little longer. I think this is a 6x4 4.25. So it's a little bit bigger than the normal size that I make. So that's the one. And I thought I would go ahead and make one with you guys now. You see me do the style that I'm going to make before. I found it over on Pebbles. It was a blog or something another. But I was trying to find the video where I did the tutorial on it. It's out there somewhere, but I just couldn't find it. So I just took some paper, cut it down to 4.25 by 5.5. And then I'm using this wood grain paper. And actually, this is from a card. The card is from the box cards patio party. So inside are lots of cards, and I'm using that sheet there. So I just cut that wood grain front of the card to be the background here. And I have some papers from my stash and also from the paper pad that I'm going to lay like that on the card. You've seen me make this before. And then, so let's get started. I'll get my glue out and I'll just begin to, these are 2 by 3.5, these little slits. So I'm just going to put a little glue on here. And you guys know it's Saturday, and you know what I do on Saturdays. Me and my daughter, we are UFC fans. So I believe a fight comes on today at 3 o'clock. So I wanted to get this done, and then I'm going to go down and make me a sandwich. I saw a recipe for 2 slices of sourdough bread that you cover on the inside with pesto, and then you put 2 slices of tomatoes on top of the pesto and a little black pepper. And, oh, well, before you put the tomatoes, you put some mozzarella cheese. I'm sorry, I forgot the main thing. So you put about 4 slices of mozzarella cheese, then the tomatoes, then the black pepper, and then you cover up the sandwich with your other slice of sourdough bread, and then you spread a little, maybe margarine or butter onto the top of the bread, and then you go ahead and put it in the skillet. And you may need to put something on top of it so that the mozzarella cheese melts. And oh my goodness, it looks so good. So I hope it tastes delicious. I did go to Costco and get that basil pesto. Although we were at Trader Joe's and they had some too, but I'd rather stick with what I know is going to work. And I know that pesto at Costco will work. Okay, so I'm just going to lay this here. I just staggered those 2 by 3 pieces across the wood grain paper. Just going to press that down. Now from here, inside of the ephemera pack was this word thanks. And there it is there. So I have some foam. I think this is like 1-inch foam that I'm going to lay across the card like that. But first, there was also this piece here from the ephemera pack. Hello, Sunshine. I thought that'd be perfect. Hello, Sunshine, and thanks. So it's going to be a thank you card. I was looking at my stash a couple weeks ago, and those types of cards are far and few between, so I really need to kind of stack, make a lot more. So we're just going to put that Hello Sunshine right there. Put it down like so. And then since this is raised up, it's going to go like this. And then I have my dimensional stick flower. So we'll get some, make sure I got this card right. Yeah. We'll get some of this Barely Art glue on this foam. It's a beautiful day here in the Pacific Northwest, which I am like so shocked, but happy, which means lots of people are out today. It was just a zoo, just going to Hobby Lobby. And I'll show you what I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I went there from being inspired by Anna White. She showed something on a haul that she did, and I said, oh, let's cross our fingers and hope that it is in the store when I go. And it was, but there was only one, but that's fine. So now we're going to put this right there. There's only one dimensional foam on that. So if it came with one, I'm just going to just leave it at 1. And then I have some sugar dots, as they call them. And where did they go? So funny, because I think I have everything ready to go before I turn the camera on. And then things just start hiding. So I have those, but I didn't want those. Oh, here we are. Okay, so these are some really old sugar dots from Michaels from 2014. Okay, so let's get it in here. Just going to put a small one here, and then a larger one right beside it. And then a small one, doop, 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 here on the blue. There you go. And there is my thanks card. Very colorful, very bright. I just love, love, love. I love this paper pad. Thank you so much for gifting it to me. Paula. So the next one I make next month will be for the month of March. So there are my 2 cards. I hope you enjoyed seeing me make that second one. Very simple. So then I told you guys we ran over to Hobby Lobby. I actually went to Hobby Lobby and to Joann's. So at Hobby Lobby, I bought this 50 sheet cardstock pack of wood paper with the white core, and it's extra heavy weight. It's 110 pounds. And today the Paper Studio were 50% off, so they were $3.98. Now, when I saw these on her channel, on Anna White's channel, I thought I'd just go ahead and order it online. By the time 2 of them were rung up, it was $18. And I thought, nope. So I ended up getting this for $4 and something because it came to $3.98 and you added in the tax. I wasn't going to pay 3 times the amount. So, and there was only one. My sister wanted me to get her one, but there was only one left. So I don't know whether the sale has been going on all this week or whether it's just started, but I would think all this week because there was only one left, and I'm so happy I got it. And then we left out of there and we went to, I say JCPenney, I meant Joann's. My daughter wanted to get something from Joann's, which they didn't have, but as we were leaving, this caught my eye. I've been wanting a bowl like this for so long. I'm going to put this on my foyer table to put our keys in. This was a $24.99, Valentine's Day. It's a place and time collection, but they were 70% off, so it came down to $7. So I was really happy about that. And that was all that I got, you guys. So here is the inspiration card that came with the December 2001 card maker kit. Echo Park has a really cute on their blog card maker kit with that you can download the instructions on how to make cards. This one was one that was in the pack that Paula had given me. And you can see it's very, very similar to what I made. Love doing stuff like this. And this paper clip, it can come off. It's like 2 fingers crossed if they want to use it at work. So I didn't glue that down. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoy your rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed this small tutorial on this thank you card using the Echo Park Day in the Life paper pad. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.